हम जिंदा कौन है।
Now children, I am going to ask you some questions about Pakistan Day. You will have to answer me. Okay, answer those questions. Raise your hands, whoever knows the answer. When was Pakistan resolution passed? Was it 1939, 1940 or 1941? You tell me, beta. 19? Shabash, clap for him. In which city was Pakistan resolution passed? Was it Delhi? What? Shabash, very good, well done. Who presented the Pakistan resolution? Very good. It took how many years to build Minar-e-Pakistan?
8. It took 8 years.
Very good. Resolution signed. Was it 23rd March, 24th March or 25th March? Yes, Vanya? Very good. In Pakistan's flag? Yes, Beta?
White, green.
Very good. Very good, Beta. Very good, Fatima. Largest mountain of Pakistan? Yes, Beta?
Ketu.
Shabash. Very good. The capital city of Pakistan? Very good. Who is the founder of Pakistan?
Quaid-e-Azam.
Very good.
Of the quiz competition. First of all, from class 1, second position, prize goes Muhammad Anas.
Clap for him. Clap for Anas. Very good.
And first position, Farhat Ahmed.
Clap for Farhat. Farhat got first position.
Mia and Hazim.
Very good, Hazim. Very good, Tanya.
And for first position, I would like to call Hira from class 2.
Very good, Hira.
Class 4, Muhammad Zaifa Nayyab.
Very good, Uzefa. Well done.
The second position goes to Muhammad Umar.
Clap for Umar. Very well done.
And first position, prize goes to Ilyana.
Very good, Ilyana. Clap for Ilyana.
Well done, thank you so much.
I hope you had fun and enjoyed the show. Now please stand straight for the national anthem. Thank you.
Pakistan Zindabad!